In this video, I will show you how to pay bills with Wise and whether or not it is possible. To do this information is available on the Wise website. All that you have to do is scroll all the way up and then select Help at the top of the menu. In these articles, you will be able to search for bills. As you can see, most of these articles are now related to paying bills using Wise. The only one that resembles something is the first one, paying with online bill pay. But as you can see, this is exclusive for Canada. And all that this offers is the ability to send Canadian dollars with Wise via online bill pay. This, of course, doesn't mean that you will be able to pay bills using Wise. Unfortunately, as of today, it seems like there is no option to pay bills using Wise. Wise can only be used to exchange foreign currencies inside of the app or the website, and they offer no option to directly pay bills. With these currencies that you might have, you will have to transfer them outside of Wise and use a different account to actually pay your bill, because the only services that Wise specializes on is sending money to other people and exchanging the currency for other ones that you can all find inside of the app. You will not be able to directly pay bills using Wise. The purpose of this video is not to spread misinformation, but let people be aware about the limitations of paying bills with Wise and how you can actually use their service. So we cannot pay with Wise.